This is my backyard, and it's landscaped, as we refer to it in desert landscaping. No grass, because grass takes a lot of water. But I thought I'd show you something cool. Walking over here. Got a little cactus here, kind of cute. And these cactus are older. And this cactus back here is blooming. These blooms opened last night, and they'll last one day, maybe a little more, and then they'll die and fall off. So this one hasn't opened yet. And over here, here's one that's just starting to open. And when they open, they're really pretty. So I'll try to come out here tomorrow and show you the flowers fully open. When they open up, the bees go nuts. They love them. So anyway, thought I'd show you that. It's kind of cool living in the desert with desert landscaping. Let's go out and check on the cactus flowers. Oh, that one's open now. Here's one laying on the ground already. There's the stem. And here's the stem from one that fell off here. These three are either opening or closing. If I'd come out here earlier, you could have told which it is. So, don't let the pool fool you. I'm not rich. Everybody in Phoenix has swimming pools. Sort of like after they build a house and everything's all signed, and then the contractor says, oh, I almost forgot. How big do you want your pool? It's like part of the deal. All right, we're getting ready to do a second road road test ride. The other one the other day wasn't good. Fixed what we wrote up. We're going to try again. This is going to be a cold start, and no choke cold start, right?
Yep.
Let's try that.
It's on.
Got tickle?
Oh, didn't tickle yet. So it's on.
All right. Okay, here we go. Hold that front brake solid while you kick it into gear. Hold the front brake solid while you kick it into gear. Missed the shift. Here he comes. No, it sounded like the idle was a little high when you came back. I can turn that down.
Yeah.
And?
Yeah. Yeah, she runs fine, stops fine, drops into idle just fine. The throw and the gear shift lever is pretty long. You heard me miss a shift there.
I heard it, yeah.
Yeah, it was just a lot longer than I realized. The other thing is this, you gotta have big hands. I mean, I don't have small hands, but look at how
I know.
yeah, that's just.
And there's no adjustment on it.
That's just an ergonomic thing. But no, other than that, I mean, the bike's fine. She ran fine, stopped fine, dropped into idle. Once I sort of realized the long throw, okay, shifted, no problem, you know.
It's interesting riding the different flavor bikes.
Yes,
you know?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can ride, you know, a bunch of the same year Nortons or any bike, and they're all slightly different. They have their personalities.
Okay, so
Well, she's ready to go.
let her go?
Yeah, I would think so, huh?
Okay, good. Thank you. All right, I've turned the idle down just a little bit. I mean, we're talking about a 16th of a turn, just nudging that idle screw. And it's idling right now probably about 900. Yeah, a little bit less than about 900 RPM idle. And I'm happy with it. We're going to let it go. Well, I don't know if I mentioned, I will mention it now. The ignition light is on, stays on. I went online and did some research and found out that it's an LED bulb, and the assimilator doesn't know how to handle an LED bulb, so it just stays on. So that's just the way it is. I'm going to let this go. I'll give the client a status report, and he can pick it up at his convenience.